In this video, we are going to learn about recursion. Often, this is a topic most beginners are afraid of because of its weird appearance. But only the appearance looks something like that. The mechanism is very similar to the iteration approach, that is like a looping approach. Here also we are going to execute a particular set of codes multiple times as we usually do for loops. But this approach makes your code very cleaner, and also certain problems when executed with recursion approach becomes more easier than it will be in the iterative approach. In this video, we will see a simple execution of the recursion function. First of all, I'd like to say that this is a C++ programming code. The same problem is also available for Java and Python languages at the end of the video. This program aims to print the factorial of a number. This can also be achieved using iterative approach. But we will see how the recursion does the same. In this type of approach, the number of lines used for the function will also be less. This function is the most important part because it is the recursive function. We are passing the number for which the factorial to be found. Usually, the recursive function takes two terms. They are the base condition and the general statement. Like we have a terminating condition in the iterative approach, the recursive function has the base condition. This terminates the further recursive calling of the function. Notice that after the base condition has reached, the function returns and the below-line code does not get executed. So, this is the flow of the function. First the condition is checked, and after being false, the second call is made. The current value is ready to get multiplied by the return value of the second function. This is done until the num reduced to 1. After 1, the function returns to its calling portion. By this way, all the numbers below will get multiplied and it finally returns to the calling portion in the main function. This is the main function. The returning value is stored in the variable factorial and it is being printed. This is how the recursive function is used to get factorial of a number.